When the morning sun begins to rise, golden light fills the open skies. Mountains stand in silent praise, declaring your holy name. Rivers dance and oceans sing, every living, breathing thing whispers of your endless love, pointing every heart above. The earth is filled with wonder, creation calls your name. From the stars across the heavens, forever you remain. You are the creator of heaven and earth, King of beauty, God of worth. Mountains bow and rivers flow to praise the one who reigns alone. From sunrise glow to evening light, all creation testifies. You are holy, you are great. Forever we will sing your praise. Through the valleys filled with peace, your mercy flows like gentle streams. Every flower, every tree shows the beauty of your grace to me. Thunder rolls